Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. It's going to dive into Doge. I think I say it right. Dogecoin, Doge USD. Now, what you have to remember about this coin, okay, it's been around a lot longer than most of you have in crypto. It's established, and this is what I say to you about coins that have been around the block. You need to pay attention to them. It's in the top 10 market capitalization. You can't ignore this project, okay? You know that Elon Musk tweets about it, which sends it parabolic, but it does. As long I've made price predictions on this many a times, and all of them have been fruitful. Even this rollover here and this key level of support. This was the primary video that I made, and you can see you've wicked down to it just there, okay? So far, all targets have been met for Doge on the upside and on the retracement, and it's looking relatively healthy for continuation. Now, providing we can hold support here, you are looking at fantastic upside for Dogecoin. You are looking potentially at $1.88 Dogecoin. I do drop these little videos in now and again because I do get a lot of requests. Obviously, it's not part of the daily updates from CoinsKid, but you know, it's looking relatively healthy. I know it's a bit of a meme coin and people laugh about it, but it is looking relatively healthy. You know, you've got some kind of big major bull flag just there. If you zoom out, you know, start to look at that, you've got a big bull flag coming down, retracing, hold a key level support, looking for continuation. Now, if you're not already involved in Doge, because I did make a video a few weeks ago, I think it was, and I did say to you, look, you're breaking out of a multi-month level of resistance, you're starting to get back up to 20. Doge is looking good here. It looks like it potentially bottomed out. You've got some kind of double bottom down here, okay? There is another breakup target, which I'm going to show you in a moment, but at the moment you're retracing, okay, to this high, and if you can see you break that high, you are looking at a $1 minimal 88 Doge token in this bull run. So you can laugh and you can cry, but it does what it does, and obviously as the crypto markets appreciate, which we are anticipating, you will see Doge appreciate as well. You know, the bear market here, if you watch the Ethereum video today that I've done, you know, I've given the bear market scenario for Ethereum, and so far that's broken out of a key level of structure right there that signifies a bear market, and so has Doge. And you can't ignore this, okay? I did do an update on Ethereum about 3 weeks ago, and so far I think Ethereum from that particular point has pumped to 40%. So if you refer back to the video, I'm not blowing my own trumpet. All I'm doing is saying what I see, and I'm delivering you the message, okay? Whatever crypto project it is, whether it's going down, I'll deliver a message, and whether it's showing potential of going up, I'll deliver the message. There's no hopium or bear market open or anything. I'll just say what I see. Please remember that, okay? And again, it's not financial advice. Everything I do and say on the channel is for educational and entertainment purposes only. But if you refer back to the one of the first videos I made about 2 or 3 weeks ago, I think it was, I did say, pay attention here. Doge is breaking out of a key level of resistance. If you can come up now and hold this double bottom like this, you are looking at potential upside here for Doge. And from that point there, when I made the video, currently Doge is up 39%. It's just bounced off that ratio just there at 53%. So that's a fantastic trade or opportunity for those that made it. But I want to assure you, you know, if you continue now to break these levels of resistance, because you can see you've had an insane pump yesterday for Doge, if you can continue and break these levels of resistance, you've obviously got more upside. There's a big pattern at play here for Doge, okay? You've got a massive W bottom just there, which is a strong reversal pattern, okay? Because you come down, you make a low, you make another low. It's a foundation. It's always indicative of a bottom, just like you get double tops. Look, this is a double top in itself, where you've made a high, a lower high, you've rolled over, and you've got that large double M top pattern, which we broke down and give you the target. Boom, target met, okay? And some. So right now, it's in a really good reversal pattern at the moment, but it doesn't mean it's going to take off into space. Don't be disillusioned. It's going to be a wrong bumpy road, but you know with Doge, it actually can take off into space, because look at each leg's appreciation. It doesn't hang around for too long, does it? You know, this is a very similar scenario where we roll back in some kind of bull flag just there, hug the support, boom, see you later. And you can see that's effectively what we've done here so far. We've created this beautiful double bottom, and right now you are in a W double bottom pattern resistance just there. You see this? Look at this beautiful W double bottom just there. And if you break this resistance right here for Doge, you've got a target, and I'm going to show you that target right now, okay? So I'm going to try and be as thorough and precise with this particular projection as I can just here. So what I'm going to do, this is your level of resistance that Doge has found itself under just there, okay? On the daily time frame. This is a daily, and you can see that's what you're doing right now. You've wicked up to previous level of resistance, this wick here, and right now you're getting a little bit rejected, and you are still under this particular level of resistance. Now, if you do start to see Doge close above this on the daily, you're looking at a beautiful upside here. because you're breaking out of a key level of resistance and you're forming a beautiful pattern for continuation to the upside to break these levels of resistance above, which I will go through with you. But the potential upside play here for Doge and the continuation of the bull is from this break of resistance just here, and this is where you could see a potential pump up to $36, $36 for Dogecoin and continuation, and that could actually bring it up to 38% upside. So that could offer a fantastic opportunity just there. You're getting a little bit overextended, but you've needed to do to break the trend effectively, because right here you're in a downtrend. You was under the EMAs still, so you were still in a downtrend, but getting above these EMAs signifies that you're starting to reverse the trend and you're breaking into an uptrend. Okay, and like I said to you, the trend is your friend until the end. You're under a key level of resistance right there for Doge. You've broken out of it. This is bullish. This is a really, really bullish thing that it did. You've come up, you've hit the EMAs, you retained the structural support just there, not rolling and creating a lower low than this. You know, now you're breaking up, and you're breaking up, and if you break out this key level of resistance right here, this is where you're going to see getting the party started for Doge. It's not completely out the woods, okay? It isn't completely out the woods. I'm not going to lie to you. There is a couple of really major levels of resistance right here for Dogecoin, okay? And they are, and I'll show you right now, you've got two major levels of resistance, and you can see with the destination of this WW bottom pattern, okay, the destination brings you up above this level here, which is a 050, which is synonymous with dead cat bounces in a bear market. So when you enter a bear market, you come down, you create these structural levels of support. If you break them, that's great. That's one tick, which is what Doge is doing. But you can break up and you can run into the 050 and get rejected and continue with the downtrend, entering that bear market right there. So, you know, you've got these levels of resistance in front of you. One is the 050, okay, which is currently at 034 cents. And then the most importantly one that you want to see broken is the golden ratio at 0.41 cents. So I'm not saying you're not going to enter a bear market here for Doge. I'm saying it's showing some beautiful strength to the upside at the moment. Okay, it is breaking out effectively. You run into a key level of resistance just there, look, which is a previous cycle just there. Do you see that? So you need to run into resistance. It's normal, okay? It is normal, but this is a whopping great big upside candle here. If you can roll back and hold these EMAs as these creep up now and you remain in this uptrend, because when you're above the EMAs, you're in an uptrend on any time frame, you know that. If you do something like this, there's a potential here that you may actually create some kind of ascending triangle, which obviously has a breakout target, and would see you get back above this level of resistance and start to backtest the support. This is where you're looking at continuation and tackling these levels of resistance above. Now that level of resistance at the moment, I'm going to tell you exactly what it is. So if you do start to see Dogecoin come up against and hold and get above 0.264441 on the daily, start to hold and backtest the support, you've got a beautiful potential, and it is a potential play of around about, let's show you right now, you could be looking at a whopping 600% trade long opportunity on Doge to break these levels of resistance, come up and get to this new all-time high in this new impulsive wave that you are beginning to form right now. But like I said to you, it's not going to go overnight. You're going to run into resistance. At times you're going to roll back to support. As long as you can keep making progress, that is your target for Doge in this bull market that crypto finds itself in. So that's a little update on Doge. You're looking at a potential 600% price prediction there, and from my first video a few weeks ago outlining that prediction, from there, you know, you're looking at a whopping 865% trade appreciation on Doge there. So yeah, I mean, it did run into our levels, which we did outline in a Doge update. And, you know, it said if it fails to get through that, you're going to be looking at this for Doge, and everything so far is played out. You know, it's playing out to a T. So if you do see a rejection and a big massive market roll, if you do start to see Doge come down now below this particular level of foundation of key support at 0.1615, then you are confirming, in my opinion, that you have entered the bear, and you are looking at a bear market here for Dogecoin. But so far, so good. You're having a test of resistance. If you do start to see that broken on the daily, held and back test of support, you're going to be looking at testing resistance above. That's how the market works, okay? Take care, everyone. Back soon with another Doge update, but look, it works in waveforms. See this? Waveforms. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.